Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe for daily yoga videos. This will be a yoga practice to open up your hips. It'll be a shorter flow, so we're not going to hold anything for too long or get too deep, but you will feel some opening, and it's a start. Let's begin lying down and hug your knees into the chest. Lengthen out the back of your neck and hold one hand on top of each knee, or if the box grip is available, hold opposite elbows. Arrive in the present moment. Shift your awareness to the breath. In and out through the nose as best as you can. Extend your left leg out. Hug the right knee into the chest. Use your arm strength to squeeze the leg in. Continue to smooth out the breath. Release any tension as it reveals itself. Draw the left leg in. Extend your right leg out. If the chin is sticking way up, release some of the grip on your leg. Otherwise, use some arm strength to squeeze and hold. Relax your temples. Focus on the quality of each breath. Hug the right knee in. Squeeze nose to knees. Set your head and neck back down. Bring the soles of the feet to touch. Let the knees fall apart in a butterfly pose. If your back arched a little or a lot, that's okay. Let's untuck the tailbone a little bit. Lengthen out the back of the neck by lowering the chin. And place your hands either on your stomach. You might need to be assisting your knees if this is too much. I like my arms open to the sides sometimes. It's up to you. Pick a place and breathe. Use your hands to help your knees back together. And cross the right ankle over the left thigh. Make sure you have enough room to draw a full circle with the right foot. And lift your legs. Reach underneath the right calf. Use your right elbow to assist the right knee opening out. Light flexion of the feet. You'll feel this in the outside of the right hip, the glute. Maybe some tension in the shoulders. Release that with a long exhale. Release by placing the left foot on the mat, knee is bent. Open and close the right leg a couple times toward the ceiling. And then we will switch sides. Place the right foot on the mat, knee bent, cross the left ankle over the right thigh. This may already be enough. To continue, you're going to lift the legs. Use your left elbow to assist the knee opening up. Light flexion of the feet. Place the right foot down. And then open and close the left leg, feeling the hamstring, smoothing out some of the tension from the hip, getting the whole leg involved. Place both feet on the mat, about hip width. Fingertips are going to be pretty close to your heels. Roll your shoulders back and down. Try not to let the knees splay as you press and lift your hips off of the mat for a bridge. Keep looking straight ahead. Just a few breaths. Squeeze the glutes. Press your heels down to lift a little bit higher. Slowly lower the spine back down, one vertebrae at a time, so you're tucking the tailbone forward. And hug the knees into your chest. We will rock up to a seated position, or you can roll to one side and then sit up if you need to. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. Inhale, lift. And exhale, fold over your legs. Find a place that you can feel relaxed in with your breath, with your thoughts. Try not to let the breath shorten. Sit up. Place the soles of your feet on your mat. Your hands are behind you, feet about mat width, and rock side to side. Letting the hip come off the mat, lengthening the knee. Let's see, so right now my right knee is reaching away from me. Cross your feet at the ankles. Find a tabletop. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale, arch, open up. Exhale, round. Scoop the tailbone, press the mat away. Neutral spine. Extend your right leg back and up. Bend the right knee. Draw some circles with the right knee, out, in, and around. Keep the elbows soft so that you can try not to move the torso too much. Step the right foot up between the hands. Use your right hand to help get your leg up there if you need to. Prop up onto blocks or fingertips. Shoulders away from the ears. Right knee is over the right ankle. You're not forward. Take a few breaths into the left hip flexor. To add on, you're going to lower your chin and pull a core in. Tuck the back toes, lift the back knee. We're in a lunge. Press the right leg almost straight, pyramid pose. And lower back down to your kneeling lunge. Lean on your left hand, right hand on top of the right knee. Press for a middle upper back twist. Release. Come back to a tabletop. Draw in the core and lift your left leg back and up. Level the hips for a moment. Establish even weight between the hands. Bend the left knee. Circles out and around. Bring your left foot between the hands for a kneeling lunge. Top of the back foot is flat, left knee over the ankle. If the floor is really far away, use blocks. At least fingertips. Breathe. For extra, you're going to lower the chin and draw the core in gently. Tuck the back toes, lift the back knee. We're pressing both legs straight just for a reach. And come back into a kneeling lunge. Untuck the back foot, lean on the right hand, press the left hand onto the knee, and rotate your middle upper back. And release. Back to tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine, bring the big toes to touch, knees are apart. Press back into child's pose. Widen the knees a little bit extra to really feel the hips. Make your way to a comfortable seated position and sit up tall. And just feel what you feel. Relax the shoulders down. Sit up taller. And we'll close with a breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Breathe in a little bit extra at the top. Long exhale, lower the hands down. Return to natural breath. Thank yourself for practicing. I am so grateful for your presence. Thank you. Let me know what you think with a like, a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste. I hope that filmed in 4K